again. I've looked and I love you, but that's not what I see. Cause look what I found. Ain't no need for searching.
Welcome back to my channel. You wouldn't know who it is, Guerita. Hey, I know I was gone for a bit and I come back. I have a better phone and I have my eyelashes done. What? So I used to have a lot more, but they've been falling out. I don't know if it's because of the weather or not, but whatever, it is what it is. Stuff happens. But I was on vacation, you guys. It was my birthday. I turned 26.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, my dear Kuya Senya. Happy birthday to you.
My man had a hotel for me. Okay, so I'm gonna give you guys a hotel tour. Let's get started. So first, it's bathroom, towels are here. I got two things. And not forget shower. So the towels, our door. There's just everything. It's like it. It's a closet. Closet. That's downside. No vanity. We're gonna have storage and a fridge. And all this stuff, we're chilling. I'm plugging for social media, just relaxing, enjoying our privacy, and just having fun. So that's what I did. And I came back on Sunday, went to work on Monday, went to work yesterday, had my day off today, and work tomorrow. So your girl is back to reality, going back to work, hustling, making that money. But I just have some footage of me just getting ready, and I have some clips like here and there of what I was doing throughout the little mini vacation. But I want to apologize for the lighting in this video. I didn't want to move where I was sitting at because I had a vanity. Some of you guys know, some of you guys don't know, but I threw away all the makeup that I had before, and I was done with makeup. I was never going to wear makeup ever again for the rest of my life. But recently I just been wanting to do like very natural glowing makeup, so that's what I did in this video. So I hope you guys enjoy, and let's get into it. Going in with my foundation brush, applying the A Cosmetic CC cream in the shade medium. And then we're going to blend it in with the Beauty Blender. Going in with my NYX finishing powder in the color Translucent to set under my eyes so they won't crease. Now I'm doing my eyebrows with this old palette that I have. I'm going to be setting my eyebrows with some eyebrow gel. I wasn't applying it here because I already did. I'm going in with the Makeup Revolution London Blush Burst Palette in the shade 1 and 2. I highly recommend this blush palette. It was so affordable and you get so many colors. I'm going in with my Hoola Bronzer by Benefit. I'm trying to hide my double chin, you guys. I'm going in with this beautiful color from Milani in the shade 51 Blush and Beauty. I'm going in with this L'Oreal Paris Color Rich Balm in the shade Nursery Nude. Going in with the Maybelline New York Lifter Gloss in the shade 008 Re. Decided to dab in the product instead of getting my lip gloss wand dirty. I'm just brushing out my eyelash extensions with my spoolie. Now I'm setting my face with the NYX Dewy Finish setting spray. I'm going in with this highlight. Sorry guys, this palette has been discontinued. Very natural sun-kissed type look, and you guys, that looks so bomb. And yes, this is the one with filter. The next one's gonna be without filter, and I still be looking good, girl. Feel myself without no filter, and you guys still be looking bomb. Natural makeup all the way. So that'll be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to comment down below. I love talking to you guys so much. And don't forget to click on that bell to get notified when I upload another video. Don't forget to subscribe, and also don't forget to follow my social media if you guys want to. Until next time, guys, stay smiling, stay beautiful, and stay you. Love you guys.